When you have completed lessons 1 to 3 of section 6.4, the second checkpoint activity contained in checkpoint 1, directly following lesson 3 of section 6.4, is an interactive activity called Magical Castle. The purpose of this video is to provide some guidance in the completion of this activity. Here we are in checkpoint 1, following lesson 3 of section 6.4 in unit 6. For checkpoint activity 2, there is an interactive activity entitled Magical Castle. Let's read the instructions. When you click on the banner below, you will have to complete the questions contained in the Google form involving solving linear equations. After you successfully submit correct answers and proceed to unlock a series of locks, you will gain entrance to the castle. It is very important to enter your answers as requested. To begin, click on the interactive activity banner below. So first we click on the interactive activity banner, and you are immediately brought to a new tab that is the first Google form. Here we are provided further instructions, so let's have a look at them. To enter the Magical Castle, you must solve 4 sets of linear equations. Each set will contain 3 equations that you have to solve. The solution to each equation in the set corresponds to a letter that is a part of a 3-letter code. The questions must be answered in the given order. When you have figured out the 3 letters for the set, enter the code in the blank provided, all caps and no spaces. Then move to the next set until you are granted entrance to the castle. We click Next. On this form, we are given 3 equations to solve. We solve them in the order they are given, and the correct numerical answer will have a letter associated with it in the table to the right. If you solve the first equation and your answer is -6, then you would type the letter H in the answer box. I'll type in my H right away. If the answer to the second equation is 16, then type G. I will type G. That's 2 letters. If the third answer is 9, we type B, giving us the code HGB. All caps, all uppercase, and no spaces. I click on Next, and I discover that this is the incorrect code, and I must try again. Once I have deleted my incorrect answer, I'm actually going to put in the correct answer now. I'm not going to show it to you. I don't want to reveal too much here. When I have my new code typed in the blank, I click on Next. And when you do it correctly, this is the screen that you will see. It says lock number 1 opened, 3 more locks to go. At this point, you will click on Next to continue. There will be 3 more locks that you will have to open to gain entrance to the Magical Castle. Once you are in, you will have successfully completed the activity, and you can close out the tab and return to checkpoint 1. To close out the tab, we click on the X. And there we are, back at checkpoint 1. Fun awaits in the Magical Castle. Good luck!